everyone, this is again Midnight Mommy. So for this tutorial, ito yung part 2 ng plain sailing. Okay, so kung napanood nyo na yung part 1 nung sa plain sailing, diniscuss ko doon kung paano gagamitin yung plain sailing para sa mga courses na less than 90 degrees. So ngayon naman ipapakita ko sa inyo paano naman kapag yung course natin is between 90 degrees and 180. Okay, so this time naman ang gagawin natin, yung course ng ating ship is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180. So remember na kapag meron tayong straight line like this one, okay, ang angle niyan is equivalent to 180 degrees. So dito, yung ating course is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So, sa case na 'to, puwede kang makapag-form ng dalawang right triangle. So, ito yung una, okay, parang inverted siya, and then ito yung pangalawa, okay. So, papaano mo rito made-derive yung equation for departure and dilat? Okay, so madali lang siya. So, puwede mo i-consider kahit alin dito sa dalawang right triangle na 'to. Okay, so dun muna ako magsisimula sa inverted na right triangle. So, para dun sa inverted right triangle, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. So, ito yung kanyang departure. Ito yung kanyang dilat, ito yung D. Okay? Now, kung kukunin natin itong angle na 'to, let's call that as angle theta. Okay? So, paano natin makukuha yung angle na yun? So, kung mapapansin niyo dito, yung angle theta is equal to itong buo na 'to, that this one is your course. Ima-minus natin itong angle na 'to, which is 90 degrees. Yan. So, magiging ang angle theta nyo would be the course minus 90 degrees. So, ito yung gagamitin nyo na angle kapag ang kinuha nyo rito is yung inverted na triangle. So, paano naman kapag yung triangle dito sa baba? So, kung ito-drawing natin siya dito sa baba. Okay. So, this time, ito yung departure nyo pa rin, and then ito yung dilat. Pero this time, yung angle nyo ito. So, let's call this again as your angle theta. So, kung ito naman ang angle theta natin, kasi paano natin makukompute itong angle na to? So, remember na itong buo na to, isang straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So, kapag binawas natin dyan yung value nito ng ating course, okay, makukuha natin yung value ng angle na to na theta. Okay, na nandun sa loob ng ating right triangle. So, kahit alin dito sa dalawang right triangle na to, pwede nyo gamitin sa computation. So, sa computation na gagawin natin, sa susunod na example, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung makukuha nyong sagot kapag ginamit nyo yung isang triangle over the other. Okay? So, let's try this example. A ship steaming at a course of 122 degrees true north covered a distance of 25 nautical miles. So, what is the departure and difference in latitude? Okay, so, pinakamaganda dyan, mag-sketch muna tayo. Okay, so, more or less, nandito yung ating 122 degrees na angle na galing dun sa course. So, kung kukunin ko ito, yung right triangle na to, okay, so, ito yung inverted type. So, ilalabas ko siya dito para mas madali kong makita yung mga sides. So, ito yung departure, ito yung dilat, ito yung D, and then ito yung angle theta. Okay, so para ma-compute natin yung angle theta, so remember na itong angle na to is equal to 90 degrees. So, therefore, gagamitin natin is yung value ng course minus 90 degrees. So, pag sinubstitute natin to, meron tayong 122 degrees minus 90 degrees. So, ang value ng ating theta is 32 degrees. And then from here, kukunin na natin yung ating so and ka. Okay, so, gagamitin natin yung sine and cosine function. So, yung sine of 32 degrees is equal to opposite side niya. So, kung magbe-base tayo dito sa ating right triangle, kung ito yung ating angle na 32 degrees, so yung opposite side niya is yung dilat. So, this is dilat. Okay, over the hypotenuse, so ang hypotenuse natin is D rito, which is 25 nautical miles. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, para ma-solve natin yung dilat, just cross-multiply. Okay? Kaya dito, magiging sagot is dilat is equal to sine 32 degrees times 25 nautical miles. So, yung magiging sagot natin para dito is So, i-round off ko na lang yung sagot. So, this one is 13 nautical miles. Okay? So, next naman, isolve naman natin yung para sa cosine. So, meron tayo ditong cosine of 32 degrees. So, yan ay ka. So, adjacent side. So, adjacent side ng theta is departure over the hypotenuse which is d. So, in this case, 25 nautical miles. So, para masagot yung departure natin, cross-multiply lang natin itong dalawa. So, magiging cosine of 32 degrees times 25 nautical miles. So, pag ni-round off natin yung sagot natin, this one is equal to 21 nautical miles. So, this time, i-try natin i-solve yung same problem, pero this time naman, kukunin naman natin yung triangle dun sa baba. Okay, so based sa illustration natin, so kung ito yung ating 122 degrees na course, so kung kukunin natin yung right triangle sa baba, ito yung ating departure, ito yung ating dilat, ito ang D, and then ito yung ating angle theta. So, susulat ko siya rito, or i-drawing ko siya rito separately. Yan, so this is theta, D, departure, and dilat. Okay, so ang D natin is again 25 nautical miles. So, para ma-solve natin yung value ng theta, okay, so remember na itong buong angle na yan, itong buong straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So, kung 180 degrees yan, ima-minus natin yung ating course dito. Yan, para makuha natin yung value ng theta. So, therefore, theta is equal to 180 degrees. Substitute natin yung course na 122. So, this one is equal to 58 degrees. So, yan ang ating angle theta. So, again, balik tayo sa so and sa ka. So, dun muna tayo sa so. So, sine nung angle natin na 58 degrees is equal to the opposite side. So, ang opposite side niya is yung departure divided by yung hypotenuse which is 25 nautical miles. So, ito yung D. So, para ma-solve natin ang departure, so again, cross-multiply nyo lang itong dalawa. So, 25 nautical miles times sine of 58 degrees. So, ang sagot dito is 21 nautical miles. I-round off ko na lang ulit yung value. So, this time, gawin naman natin yung ating cosine. So, this one is cosine 58 degrees equals, so ang ating adjacent side dito sa angle theta is dilat. So, dilat over the hypotenuse which is the D. So, yan ay 25 nautical miles. So, again, para ma-solve natin ang dilat, so just cross-multiply. So, magiging 25 nautical miles times cosine of 58 degrees. So, pag ni-round off natin yung sagot natin dito, this one is equal to 13 nautical miles. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung nakuha natin na sagot for the departure and dun sa dilat is parehas lang. So, kahit anong right triangle yung gamitin natin. Basta you just have to make sure na tama yung pagkakaderive mo ng equations based dun sa ating right triangle. Kasi pag mali ka na ng pag-identify muna dun sa mga parts ng right triangle, hindi mo makukuha yung tamang equation. Ito sa ating next example, a sailing ship has a departure of 30 nautical miles east and a difference in latitude of 40 nautical miles south. So, what is the course and the distance traveled by the ship? Okay, so para mas madali, kailangan muna natin siyang, of course, sketch. So, ang sabi dyan, yung departure natin, so yun yung horizontal line. So, along the east and west directions yun. So, this one is your departure and ang value niya is 30 nautical miles papunta sa east. And then, yung difference in latitude naman, so ito yung vertical line natin. So, it has a value of 40 nautical miles south. Sabihin, pababa siya. So, parang ganito. And so, ito yung ating dilat na 40 nautical miles. So, ang question is, ano yung course at saka yung distance traveled by the ship? So, pwede akong kumuha rito again ng kahit alin dun sa dalawang right triangle na nagbigay ko sa inyo example kanina. So, nandito yung kanyang course. Yan. So, I will indicate here CO. So, ang gagamitin ko na triangle dito is yung nandito sa inverted. So, again, pwede nyo ulit gamitin yung um, upright na triangle. So, pwede nyo gamitin yon as an exercise. So, para ma-check nyo kung tama yung sagot nyo. So, ito. So, ito siya. So, ito yung ating 30 nautical miles. And then, ito yung ating 40 nautical miles. Yan, kasi same lang naman to. Okay? So, ito yung ating angle na theta. So, di natin pa alam kung ano yung angle na theta na yan. So, ito yon yung nandun sa loob ng right triangle. So, first, para ma-compute natin yung distance, pwede natin itong gamitan ng Pythagorean theorem. Kasi right triangle case to. So, therefore, pwede natin magamit ang d squared is equal to depth squared plus d lat squared. So, kung magsa-substitute na tayo, so d is equal to the square root of, okay, so ang departure natin is 30 squared plus d lat is 40. So, kunin natin yung square niyan. So, ang sagot dito is 50 nautical miles. Yan. Okay, so, hindi ko lang sinulat yung unit dun sa solution. Pero sa final answer, dapat nando yung units. Okay, next, solve natin yung ating course. So, paano natin makukuha yung course? So, dito, gagamitan na natin to ng TOA or yung tangent ratio. So, this is tangent theta is equal to yung opposite side. So, opposite side ng angle na to is yung 40 nautical miles na difference in latitude. So, this is d lat over yung ating adjacent side, which is your departure. Yan. So, kung ito ay substitute natin, so tangent theta is equal to, so ang dilat natin is 40 divided by 30, which is a departure. So, therefore, yung ating angle is equal to the inverse of 40 divided by 30. So, makukuha nating sagot dito is theta is equal to 53 degrees. Ni-round off ko na to. Pero ang tinatanong is yung course. Kaya dapat, course is equal to, okay, so papansin nyo kung ito yung ating theta, kailangan pa nating i-add itong angle na to. At itong angle na to is equal to 90 degrees. Kaya course is equal to 90 degrees plus 53 degrees. So, yung same principle na to, actually, pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin for the cases na, kunwari, meron kang course na greater than 180 but less than 270 or yung course na greater than 270 but less than 360. So, in principle, parehas lang siya ng gagawin. So, yung mamili kung alin doon sa dalawang right triangle yung gusto nyong gamitin. Whether yung bang upright o yung inverted. So, bastang mahalaga nito, marunong kayong mag-identify ng mga parts ng right triangle para malaman nyo kung ano yung tamang trigonometric function na gagamitin nyo. So, na marami kayo natutunan for this video and I'll see you on my next video.